Hi students, the subject name is BE 8253 Basic Electrical, Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. Today we will learn the basic problems of RLC series circuit. This is the diagram of RLC series circuit. R represents resistance, L denoted as inductance, C represents capacitance. In the series circuit, the current flow is same of three elements. That means in RLC series circuit, the flow of current in these three elements are same, but the voltage across the each elements are different. That means resistance across the voltage is VR, inductance across the voltage is VL, capacitance across the voltage is VC. So the total voltage V is equal to VR plus VL plus VC. The input supply AC, so the voltage V denoted as V is equal to Vm into sin omega t. And before we are solving the problem, we are discuss the basic formulas of RLC circuit. First one is inductive reactance. The inductive reactance denoted as a letter XL is equal to 2 pi FL. F is nothing but frequency. The unit of frequency is hertz, and L denoted as inductance. The unit of inductance is Henry. Next, capacitive reactance. In this capacitive reactance denoted as the term Xc is equal to 1 divided by 2 pi Fc. C is nothing but capacitance. The unit of capacitance is farad. And next important formula, impedance. Impedance is nothing but the term Z. Z is equal to R plus J XL minus XC. XL is denoted as inductive reactance. XC is equal to capacitive reactance. The modulus of Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. The current I is equal to V divided by Z. V is nothing but voltage divided by impedance, modulus of Z. And the next one is power factor. Power factor is equal to cos phi. Cos phi is equal to R divided by modulus of Z. R is nothing but a resistance of each circuit. Next, total power P is equal to V into I cos phi. The total power is Vi cos phi. The another name of total power P is equal to real power. Next one is reactive power. Q is equal to Vi sin phi. Next one is voltage across the inductance coil. That means I into X coil is equal to I into square root of R square plus XL square. Next final one is voltage across the capacitance of RLC series circuit. VC is equal to I into XC. XC is nothing but capacitive reactance. I is nothing but flow of current. Problem 1. In a series RLC circuit, resistance equal to 24 ohm, inductance is equal to 191 millihenry and capacitance equal to 66.3 microfarad. Given that the supply voltage is 240 volt, 60 hertz, find the equivalent impedance, power factor, current, power and voltage across the coil and capacitor. In this problem, the RLC elements are connected in series, so we have draw the diagram of in this problem. So RLC elements are connected in series. The value of resistance R is equal to 24 ohm. The given data R is equal to 24 ohm. Inductance L is equal to 191 millihenry. It converted into Henry is equal to L is equal to 191 into 10 power minus 3 Henry, and capacitance C is equal to 66.3 microfarad. It converted into farad. That means 66.3 into 10 power minus 6 farad. And voltage already given that problem, V is equal to 240 volt. Frequency F is equal to 60 hertz. These are the values are given in this problem. Next, we have to find the value of equivalent impedance. Equivalent impedance means the value of, we have to find the value of Z. The value of Z, the formula is Z is equal to modulus of Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL minus XC the whole square. First we have to find the value of XL and XC. R is already given in that problem, so first we have to find the value of XL and XC. XL is equal to, already I told, XL is equal to 2 pi FL. So we have put the values of F and L in inductive reactance XL equation. XL is equal to 2 pi 60 into 191 into 10 power minus 3. We get the value of XL is equal to 72 ohm. And next we have to find the value of capacitive reactance. XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi FC. We have to substitute the values, find the value of XC. We get the value of X is equal to 40 ohm. So we are get the values of XL, XC and R. These values are substitute in impedance equation. So we have get the value of impedance, equivalent impedance Z is equal to 40 ohm. And next one we have find the value of current I. The formula of I is equal to V by Z. Already V, that means voltage, is given in that problem 240 volt. So we have substitute these values in current equation. I is equal to 240 divided by 40. So finally we get the value of current I is equal to 6 amps. And next we have find the value of power factor. Power factor is nothing but cos phi. The formula of power factor is equal to R divided by modulus of Z. So we have find the value of cos phi is equal to 0.6 degree lagging. And next we have find the value of phi, that means cos inverse of the value of 0.6. So we get the answer phi is equal to 53.13 degree. This phi value is substitute in sin phi. So we have the value of sin phi is equal to 0.8 degree. And next we have find the value of total power. P is equal to VI cos phi. That means this is the real power. P is equal to 240 into 6 into cos phi is equal to 0.6. Already we are calculated. So finally we get the value of power. P is equal to 864 watts. The unit of power is watts. Next finally calculated as the reactive power Q. And we'll calculate the reactive power Q. Formula is VI sin phi. Substitute these values in reactive power equation. Finally we get the answer Q is equal to 1152. Unit is VAR, that means volt ampere reactive. And next we have find the value of voltage across the inductance coil and capacitor. Okay, thank you.